Beans are having a moment, especially butter beans, and I have been experimenting with using the beans with various different sauces in various different ways so that we can eat more beans. Today we're taking my delicious Puttanesca sauce and adding some butter beans to it. The umami-filled, deep-flavored Puttanesca with the flavors from the mushroom, sun-dried tomato and olives is fabulous with the butter beans. They're a powerhouse of protein, they're easy to get. You can get some canned beans or you can make them from scratch on the weekend and then use them throughout the week. There are also many different kinds of beans that you can use. Just use them interchangeably in all of these recipes with all of these sauces. There is protein from some nutritional yeast and the butter beans. If you want to add more protein to the dish, you can add in some lentils or veggie grounds. You can add some walnuts or hemp seeds and serve with a multigrain or a whole grain bread. It uses pantry-friendly ingredients and comes together within 30 minutes and in just one pan. So let's make my Puttanesca butter beans. Heat a skillet over a medium heat, add some olive oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add in the chopped onion and some minced garlic. Add a generous pinch of salt. Stir the mixture every 2 minutes or so until the onion is starting to turn translucent. Then add in the chopped mushroom and add in the salt, nutritional yeast, pepper flakes and oregano. Cook the mushrooms for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover the pan with a lid to continue cooking those mushrooms for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the sun-dried tomato and olives. Add in the tomatoes. Add in a crumbled nori sheet if you're using it. And then cover with the lid and let this mixture cook until the tomatoes are starting to get jammy, about 4 to 5 minutes. Press the larger pieces of the tomatoes so that they can get a little jammy as well. Then fold in your butter beans and some stock. Add in some vegan mozzarella or vegan parmesan as well. Then cover with the lid, reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes to help deepen the flavors and add some flavor to the butter beans. Then switch off the heat, open the lid, garnish with some black pepper, some fresh basil, and serve immediately with some toasted sourdough, garlic bread, or any other way that you like. You can serve this over some cooked pasta, some roasted vegetables, or a baked potato. If you serve these beans in any other way, do let me know in the comments, either on this video or on the website, and let me know how you served it and how you liked it. It's so good. I love all of that deep flavor from the olives, the sun-dried tomato. If you have some capers, do add those as well. They will just enhance the overall flavor of the Puttanesca sauce. If you don't have fresh basil, use some dried basil. Add some more Italian herbs if you want. Add some more cheese if you want, adjust it to your preference and make these Puttanesca butter beans. If you like these one-pot 30-minute bean recipes, do try my stroganoff beans, rose sauce beans, my lemon sauce beans. Also try my Indian sauces like my saag butter beans, my dhaba chicken beans, or my beans do pyaza. There are even more bean recipes on the blog, so do check those out. If you try any of these recipes, don't forget to review them on the website. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, Indian recipes, fun and creative recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.